Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from northern Maine. I'm coming to you this morning. I got a little different video kind of here today. I was once told years and years ago that the problem with a lot of us old-time Mainers is that we never ask for help, and it's kind of a lot of truth behind that. A lot of us old-time Mainers are really stuck in our ways, as well as we're just plain self-reliant. Well, I've kind of come to a point in this channel where I need some help. I need some help from my viewers. The channel is doing great. The watch hours are through the roof. I couldn't be happier. But what I need help with is I need help with subscribers. I'm at a point in my subscribers where I just would like some help to push me over the hump. I'm at the end of the hump, which is a big number for YouTube and the algorithm. So if I could have each and every one of you that enjoy my videos, if you would please ask one of your friends, if just one of your friends would subscribe to my channel, and I have enough regular viewers each and every week, and I put out 2 of these videos a week, I have enough viewers each week that if each one of you would ask one of your friends, or if you know someone that would like a self-reliant YouTube channel to watch, get them to subscribe to my channel. And that would push me over the hump. And I believe that with your help, I could push over that hump that I'm looking for within the next week, which would be great. So if that's something that you're willing to help me with, please get one of your friends to help me with subscribing to this channel and pushing me over the hump. And I want to thank you in advance. And if this will work, I will come back here next week and I will say thank you, thank you, thank you, because you guys have pushed me over the hump. Got him, no problem. Well, that couldn't have worked out any better than it did.